So there was this Korean girl who stayed here in Southeast Asia for a while to study and went back to Korea to study and continue her middle school. And she got bullied at school because, you know, here in our country or here in Southeast Asia, it's a bit hot compared to other countries like Korea. So her skin became tan, and of course because of her color she got bullied, and the derogatory used to bully her is that she looks like a Filipina, and she was accused that she is a half Filipino and that her mom is an OFW. While here in our country, we idolize Koreans and we use tons of Rejuve and whitening products. Kung totoo mas maganda tayo sa kanila eh. At ang pangit nila kung wala silang makeup kasi sobrang singkit sila, maputi lang sila. And of course, meron akong blood na Chinese, and sa side ng ninang ko, sinabihan akong ulikbang Chinese. Dahil sa morena ako. Pero believe me or not, wala akong makeup ngayon. Pero mas maganda ako sa kanya. Yan ang gusto nila, yung mabilog yung mata. And yung aegyosal. Natural sa atin yung mga Pilipino. Diba? Huyat mo lang, meron ka na yan, no? Tsaka mabilog mga mata natin eh. Sila, wala yan. Nakaganon na sila. Diba? Kung walang makeup, di nila mapapadilat yung mata nila. Yung mga Amerikano, naiinggit nga eh. Yung friend ko na British, nagpapatan sila dito sa Boracay. Kasi nga, syempre, gusto nilang maging kakulay natin dahil ang sexy nga ng kulay ng balat natin. Stop using harsh whitening products such as Kojic, placenta soaps, mga gluta soaps, yung mga mahapdi sa mukha, mga rejuve na yan, unless kung in-advise ng dermatologist nyo. Sinisira nyo lang yung balat nyo para maging kagaya nila. Mas maganda ka sa kanila, promise.